Happy holidays, YouTube. This is Martin Ross, and today we're breaking it down with Eminem, Slim Shady. Before we get into it, please check out my new sound library, Zource Vibes. If you like these beats, all those sounds are in there. Links are in the description. If you like the video, leave a like button. Also, please hit that subscribe button and click the bell for more notifications if you're enjoying these videos. So let's get into it. Okay, so first up is the harpsichord. And the harpsichord, I'm using C, D sharp, G, G sharp, C, E, and A sharp. So let's play it back. All right, so just remember that little trill there. It's the classical trill, and for classical trills, it's a note you're going to. So that G sharp, I like doing that. All right, moving on to the bass. The bass is going to follow the harpsichord. So literally the harpsichord is the heart of this song. So the notes that I'm using is C, D, D sharp, F, and G. Let's hear it. Next is that synthy key that you always hear randomly. And literally it's just D sharp and then D and C. All right, moving on to the wah guitar. The wah guitar, literally, is following exactly what the harpsichord is doing. So let's hear that. So what it's doing is it's accenting off the harpsichord. Let's play that in conjunction with each other. All right, next we have the flute. The flute is literally just going down the C minor scale. I'll play it right now. I don't know, I had to add that in there. The notes are D, C, G, F, D sharp, D, C. Okay, so the strings are accenting off the flutes, so I'm going to go with a G, F, D sharp, D. All right, we're going to go over the drums. The drums are pretty simple. This was the, I guess you could say, the birth right here of my sound library. So this was my demo set to create my drum kit. So I am doing what we like to make, thickening the snare. So I threw 3 snares on top of 2 kicks. So I have a top kick and a bottom kick. And then I've got some 16th or 8th notes hats. So let's hear that. And it gives it more of a thicker sound when you use more than one kick and snare. Also, I forgot to mention I added in a gong riser. It's just a reverse gong that leads into the hook. All right, I know this was fast, but we put it together. Let's hear what it sounds like. Yeah, I love that. Gong and then that hook. Hear those strings accenting the flute? Oh man. And there you have it. That was Slim Shady's, or Eminem's, the real Slim Shady. I hope you enjoyed that. And I want to wish all you guys out there, everyone out there, a happy holiday, whatever you celebrate. This has been a great year for me coming back doing YouTube. And this last few weeks, I'm so sorry. It's just been so busy with the holidays, and I'm trying to get it together with all your requests. I'm putting things together. There's a lot of people that ask for requests, and I'm working on them in the background. So while I'm recording this video, or you're watching this video, I'm recording a whole nother video. So I just want to wish you guys a very special holiday, and I want to thank you personally all for watching and just dealing with the talking. I guess I talk a lot, but just enjoying these videos, giving me comments and likes and sharing my videos, and just being very supportive. And I want to thank you so much for being there. Also, for those producers out there, please check out my new sound library, Zource. If you like those 90s and 2000s sounds, I got them all in there. Everything that was in there is in there. So please check that out. The links are in the description. Also, if you have Instagram, go ahead and follow me at I am Martin Ross. I'm more active there than I am on YouTube because YouTube takes a lot more time, but it is what it is. And if you have any comments, leave comments. Also, hit that like button. And most important, share. Hit that subscribe button and click the bell so that way you get instant updates straight to your device. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great holiday season and a New Year's. Also, thank you for watching. This is Martin Ross breaking it down with the real Slim Shady.